Yes. Let's start with the identity. So first identity is your a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is your first identity. Let's start with the question of this. This is x square plus 8x plus 16. So the first condition for using the identity is this, that the numbers given in the identities, out of three numbers, 2 should be perfect square. As you can see that three numbers are given, three terms are given there. So in this, out of these three, 2 terms are perfect square. Now here x square is given, so x is a perfect square number. 16 is given, 16 can be written as 4 square, so both are perfect square number. So this can be written as a square, this plus will be same. This 16 can be written as b square. A square plus b square plus 2a. This is your a, this is your b. A into b. Now you can multiply this and you can check it out that you are getting 8x again. Now this is your a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is a plus b whole square. Write it 2 times because the question is a factorization. So you have to write each term separately in the bracket. So you can't leave it like this. You have to write it in the brackets. Instead of plus, if the question is like this, you have given p square minus 10p plus 25. So the identity is of minus you will use. That is a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. This minus 2ab you can write in the middle also. Both are same. Now, as you can see that three terms are given and out of these three, 2 are perfect square. So this is your a square, this is your b square, and in the middle you have 2a into b. Any doubt? Multiply this, check you are getting 10p again. Is it clear? So this is your a square, this is b square minus 2ab. So a square plus b square minus 2ab can be written as a minus b whole square. If we are having plus here, so the whole question will change to plus. So you will have p plus 5 as your answer. But here minus is given in with 2ab, so the factors will contain minus sign. So write it like this. So your answer is p minus 5, p minus 5. Now, let's see this question again by middle term splitting method. So in case of middle term splitting method, you will multiply the first number with the last number. This is your p square. So it is having coefficient as 1. So this 1 will be multiplied with the last number. 25 ones are 25. So let's make the factor of 25 in such a manner that on multiplication you will get 25 and on addition and subtraction you will get minus 10, not 10, minus 10. So 5 5s are 25. You want minus 10, so it will be minus 5 minus 5. Got it? So when you add them, minus minus will be plus. You will add the numbers and sign will be of greatest, that will give you minus 10. So the name of the method is middle term splitting method. So in this case, you will split the term into 2 parts. And 2 parts are minus 5, minus 5. So let's write the first term same, last term same, only middle term you are splitting. So write this into 2 parts, minus 5p, minus 5p. So when you multiply it, this is minus minus plus, 5 5s are 25. So that will give you 25 on multiplication, but on addition you will get minus 10. So now the question is having 3 terms, but 3 terms have been changed to 4 terms. So in case of 4 terms, for factorization, you will make the pair of 2 terms. So from here, you will take p common. You are getting p minus 5 inside the bracket. From here, you will take, what you will take common? Minus 5 common. But if you are having any doubt, in the first step, you can take plus 5 common. After that, you will change the sign. So take plus 5 common, as you have already learned in the previous questions. So take plus 5 common, 5 you have taken common, what is left? Now, from here you have taken 5 common, so plus will be same, 5 5s are 25. Is it clear? Now, check the brackets. The sign inside the bracket should be same and the terms also. So here you are having 5p minus 5 and in this you are having minus p plus 5. Here p is positive, in this p is negative. Here 5 is negative and 5 is positive. So change of sign is there. So you will take minus common to make the brackets same. So take minus common from the second bracket so that you will have p minus 5 inside the bracket. Take minus common. Take minus common. So when you take minus common, plus minus minus, we will have minus sign outside the bracket. 5 is same. This minus p will become plus p. And this plus 5 will become minus 5. Now, ले सकते हैं. Yes, बिल्कुल ले सकते हैं. ठीक है? Got it? दो बार नहीं, half marks deduct होगा. Actually, you are finding factors. So you have to write it 2 times. So in this term, you are having p minus 5 common. Take p minus 5 common. From here, you are left with p. From here, you are left with minus 5. So in this, you are getting 2 factors, p minus 5, p minus 5. Answers of both the methods will be same, but the ways are different. See? Next identity, third identity is, today you all have test. Then what you will do in the test? Third identity, a square minus b square. That is a plus b, a minus b. So this is the smallest of all the 4 identities. We are having 4 identities now. So out of 4, this is the smallest one. So example of this question is x square minus 16. This identity will be used when 2 terms are given. Again, terms are perfect square. If the terms are not perfect square, so either you will make them perfect square by taking common, or direct perfect square terms will be given to you. So in this, 16 is a perfect square term. So this is your a square minus b square. So in case of first 3 identities, it's compulsory that perfect square number should be given. If the numbers are not perfect square, you can't apply the identity. Got it? In case of first 2 identities, if the terms are not perfect square, then the identities will not be used. You will directly use middle term splitting method. Got it? So here again perfect square terms are given. This is your a square minus b square. A square minus b square can be written as a plus b, a minus b. Next question is, suppose the term is given like this. Here, 48 and 3 both are not a perfect square number. So what you will do? Take 3 common, you are left with x square minus 16. Now, again, this method you will use. 3 will be same, and answer of this question is x plus 4 and x plus 3, x minus 4. You will do all these steps again, but it's compulsory to take 3 common to make the numbers inside the bracket perfect square number. Got it? Next example is x cube minus x. X cube minus x. What you will do? X common, x square minus 1 is left. 1 is a perfect square number. This is your a square, this is your b square, and this x is same. How many factors you will have for this question? 3. Actually, the power is, maximum power is 3. So you will have 3 factors for this. This polynomial is called, this expression is called cubic. So, and the power is 3, so you will have 3 factors for this. So here, this is your a square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b. Any doubt? Any doubt, beta? Now, next question is, one more example, 9x square y square minus 16. This is your 3xy whole square minus 4 square. A square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. Any doubt? If the question is of use identity, then you have to use identity. But if nothing is written there, it's simply written solve it, evaluate it, या factorize it, then you can do it by any method. Either you will apply identity or you will use middle term splitting method. Got it? So I'm writing few questions, you all will solve it. 4y square minus 12y plus 9. Start this question. You can do this question in any way. Write it 2 times. So the answer is 2y minus 3, 2y minus 3. Yes, look here. Next is division. एक क्वेश्चन और देख लो. A raised to power 4 minus b raised to power 4. Whenever the power is 2, you will break it down to the power 1, as you have seen. Like x square minus 16 था, आपने x minus 4, x plus 4 लिख दिया. You have reduced this power 2 to 1. जो power दी होगी इसका half कर देते हैं. Now here the power is 4 and the half of 4 is 2. So firstly you will break down the power to 2, then 2 will be again broken up to 1. So this can be written as a square minus b square. So this is your a, this is your b. A square minus b square can be written as a minus b, a plus b. And this again can be written as, this is your a square minus b square. That is a minus b, a plus b, and this is same. Because we don't have identity for a square plus b square. Any doubt? Clear? Yes? ये वाला. In this, either you will apply the identity like 2y square, this is your 3 square, and in the middle 2a into b. Identity a square plus b square minus 2ab. A minus b whole square. Write it 2 times. Or you can use another method, middle term splitting method, to solve the same question. Multiply first term with the last term. 9 fours are 36, and factors of 36 are 6 are 36, and 6 plus 6 will give you 12. So the factors are minus 6y plus 9. Got it? Any doubt? So from here you will take 2y common. You are left with 2y minus 3. From here you will take minus 3 common. In the first step you can take plus 3 common also. And after that you will change the sign by taking minus common. And if you will, you can do it by taking direct minus 3 common, you can do. I have taken minus 3 common. 2y minus 3 because minus minus is plus. हृदय मैं आपके लिए डिस्कस कर रही हूँ, बाकियों ने कर लिया. 2y minus 3, 2y minus 3. Clear? Next question is of division. Next question, division. Minus 20x raised to power 4 divided by 10x square. Cancel out the number with number. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. Minus 2. The terms are dividing. Base is same, so power will be subtracted. So minus 2x raised to power 2. Is it clear? Yes. Speak loudly. अगर ऑलरेडी ब्रैकेट सेम आ रही हो तो साइन कॉमन नहीं लेते, जब ब्रैकेट्स के साइन ऑपोजिट होते हैं तब कॉमन लेते हैं। मैंने डायरेक्ट कॉमन लिया यहाँ पे क्योंकि मुझे पता था कि मुझे -3 कॉमन लेने के बाद -3 यहाँ से मुझे 2y क्या चाहिए पॉजिटिव, तो माइनस हटाना था, इसलिए मैंने माइनस कॉमन लिया। आपने अपने तरीके से करना है। यू कैन टेक फर्स्टली +3 कॉमन देन चेंज द साइन, बोथ आर करेक्ट। solve this solve this question, hurry up. 63 and 112 both are not perfect square number. What you will do? Take 7 common. 7 common आ रहा है। अगर 9, ये देखो 9 से डिविजिबल है नहीं है, तो इसका मतलब 9 से नहीं हो रहा, 7 से हो रहा है। टेक 7 कॉमन, 7 9 जा 63, 7 कॉमन, व्हाट यूर 6 है क्या आएगा यहाँ 16b square. Now 9 and 16 both are perfect square number. So this can be written as a square minus b square, and rest of the things will be same. 7 is same. A square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. So write it 3a minus 4b, 3a plus 4b. So these are the two brackets. Any doubt? Next question. Divide 24x square yz square by 6yz square. Hurry up, tell me the answer. 4x square. Answer is, this will be cancel out, this will be cancel out. You are left with 4x square. Solve this. A square minus b square. J a square and this is your b square. A square minus b square क्या होता है? A plus b, A minus b. Now open the bracket, change the sign wherever possible. Otherwise, sign of all the terms will not be changed. Where negative is there, only change of sign will take place in that case. Is it clear? Clear? But why we haven't used that identity in this term? Because it don't have any relation with x. Here I am having y and z, and in the first term I am having x. So no relation is there. You can't solve x square, y square, z square collectively. So you have to make them separate to change it into different brackets. So one more question of this type I am writing. Actually आपने ब्रैकेट्स फॉर्म करनी है, तो मिक्स नहीं करना कुछ भी. नेक्स्ट इज एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 2xy plus y square minus z square. Do this question. Again, this is having xy and this z is there. So it don't have any relation with z. So don't mix them up. Don't open the bracket. Actually 4 terms are there, but you can't make the pair of 2. क्योंकि यहाँ पे xx है, यहाँ पे yz है, so no relation at all. So don't open the bracket. What you will do? ये किसका फॉर्मूला है? सेकेंड आइडेंटिटी, ए स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab क्या होता है? यस, इट्स एक्स माइनस वाई होल स्क्वायर, दिस इज योर जेड स्क्वायर. अगेन सेम, a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. Tell me the answer. Write down next question. 25a square, 25 a square minus 4b square plus 28bc minus 49c square. Be careful. Yes, in this is your a square, this is your b square and this is your, इधर देखो, एक्चुअली आपने वो टर्म चेक करनी है जो दो का कॉम्बिनेशन है. कौन सी है वो? बी सी. यहाँ पे बी और सी इकट्ठे आ रहा है, तो ये बी स्क्वायर, ये सी स्क्वायर, ये बी सी का कॉम्बिनेशन, इसमें फॉर्मूला लग रहा है. बट व्हाट यू विल डू फर्स्ट, टेक माइनस कॉमन. एक्चुअली किसी भी आइडेंटिटी में ए स्क्वायर के साथ माइनस नहीं होना चाहिए, बी स्क्वायर के साथ माइनस नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है, पॉजिटिव होने चाहिए. तो इन तीनों टर्म में से क्या करेंगे? नेगेटिव कॉमन. सो फर्स्ट टर्म 25a square is same, take minus common, negative will change to positive, positive will change to negative and this negative will again become positive. Clear? Clear? Now this is your a square, b square, 2ab. This can be written as 2b whole square, 7c whole square and 2a into b. And this is 5a whole square. This 5a whole square is same, a square plus b square minus 2ab. A minus b whole square. Now, this question is same as the previous question. A square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. Sign change होंगे क्योंकि ब्रैकेट से पहले क्या है? Minus. Now write the answer. Write it 2 times. Hurry up, hurry up. Answer of this question is 5. I'm writing correct answer. 5a plus 2b minus 7c. 5a minus 2b plus 7. Any doubt? Clear? मैंने एक step miss किया. I have written direct answer without even brackets. I have just changed the sign. जहाँ negative है वहाँ sign change होगा, otherwise नहीं.